The sun rises over the vast wheat fields, signaling the start of a busy day. Golden stalks sway in the gentle breeze, ready to be harvested for our daily bread. Giant machines sweep through the fields, gathering the grain with rhythmic, mechanical precision. The harvested wheat is transported to a towering silo, where it waits for processing. Inside the mill, heavy stones grind the kernels into fine, powdery white flour. This flour is then carefully sifted to ensure a perfect, smooth texture for baking. Large trucks deliver the fresh flour to the bustling, modern bread factory. Workers pour the flour into massive stainless steel mixers, ready for the transformation. Water, yeast, and a pinch of salt are added to create the perfect dough. The heavy mixers spin rapidly, blending the ingredients into a soft, elastic ball. A skilled baker checks the consistency, ensuring the dough is smooth and supple. The dough is moved to a warm room, where it begins to rise slowly. Tiny bubbles of air expand within the mixture, making it light and airy. Once risen, the dough is divided into equal portions by an automated machine. Precision blades cut the dough, ensuring every loaf will be the same size. Each piece is rounded and shaped, forming the classic loaf structure we know. The shaped dough rests briefly, preparing for its journey into the intense heat. Rows of pans enter the long, glowing tunnel of the industrial oven. Inside, the heat works its magic, turning the pale dough into golden brown. The aroma of freshly baked bread fills the factory, signaling the final stage. The loaves emerge from the oven, steaming and smelling absolutely delicious. A cooling conveyor belt carries the bread through a gentle, breezy tunnel. As they cool, the crust hardens slightly, perfecting the texture of the loaf. Quality inspectors check each loaf for the perfect color and shape. Any loaf that does not meet the high standards is set aside. The perfect loaves move toward the slicing station, ready for their final form. Sharp, vibrating blades slice through the bread with clean, swift movements. The slices are neatly stacked, maintaining the shape of the original loaf. Automated machines wrap the bread in protective, clear plastic bags. A label is applied, showing the date and the factory's seal of quality. The finished loaves are placed into crates, ready for their journey to stores. Delivery trucks line up at the loading dock, waiting to carry the goods. The bread is carefully loaded, ensuring the loaves remain soft and fresh.
Steady now. Watch the edge.
Drivers depart the factory, heading toward local markets and neighborhood grocery stores. Families wait in the store aisles, looking forward to their favorite fresh bread. From field to table, the journey of bread is a marvel of modern craft.